Alright, just to show you what I've been doing, I've been making linear actuators for all of these doors, and now that they're all open, I get to close them. Now this isn't permanent. I still have to make the actual controller box, but we'll do this. There. And the other three will do the same, but I'm not going to go in between. Well, yeah, maybe I will. Okay, I'll put you on pause. Okay, off pause, and here's the next one. Okay, let me put you back on pause, and then we'll go for number 3. Okay, so the next one is number 3, and this is the only one that I've never actually moved under power yet since making it. So let's see how this goes. Sweet. Number 3 had an issue. I don't know if you can tell this, but there's a plate up here. And the reason there's a plate up there is because I measured the wrong distance. I didn't take into account the bolt head distance in here, and I had everything shifted over, and the bolt head would have hit, so I never closed it before, so I never ran it. So that's number 3, and number 4 is left. And here we go with number 4. And this is, again, the first time that I've ran all 4 of these at the same time, in one sitting. Sweet. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. I've been spending an extremely long amount of time just getting these up here, and those linear actuators took way longer than I thought, but it was new ground for me. I never did anything like that. So I just want to encourage people that if you've never tried something, go ahead. This was my first attempt with these. They're not perfect, but they seem to work. And I have a few more projects that I actually want to use linear actuators on. So there they are. That's the front of the doors. They're all going to look like number 4 and number 1. I just need some more parts, and I'm going to still add more greeblies to it, and I'm going to add some greeblies to the side, and I still have the whole underside to do, but just wanted to show you. That's really my biggest project all summer, was to get those made. Okay, have a good night, and remember, to make this world a better place, please try to treat other people the way you want to be treated. Good night.